This is a construction site for our future ATC Mount Pleasant substation to support the Foxconn development. Foxconn is from Taiwan and they have a facility all around in Asia, China, Taiwan, and Japan. Working through the language and the culture barrier, that's a very unique aspect of this project. We actually went over to Taiwan and Japan to visit their existing facilities and understanding their electric need, and then also just to build relationship with their contact there.
My portion of the project is to coordinate bringing 4 345,000 volt circuits to this site. Behind us right now you see an empty field, and in the space of about 3 months you're going to see 140-foot tall transmission towers that are going to be erected in that space. And then by the end of November, all of the new circuit wire will be brought to the new substation here. I like the big projects, and frankly we take a lot of pride in helping to deliver reliable power. At the end of the day, this is something that when they flip that switch, the light turns on.
Today we're taking delivery of the 138 kV control house. We're kind of in the middle of about a year-long project to get this substation in service. We did want to put together a real comprehensive safety program for this project. Working with ATC, I think we're able to spend a lot more time focusing on safety, focusing on quality. A lot of time is spent in the environmental fields because we know that ATC puts a lot of weight in those areas on their project.
Transformer 3 just arrived here on site this week. The other two showed up earlier this month. This has been a unique project in really two different ways. One is the schedule that we've been asked to complete this project in. Most of these projects take many years. This one was about 2.5 years from the time we heard about the project until the time we're planning on having it in service. The second complexity of this project is really the scale of it. This is one of our bigger substations coming from the ground up. A lot of times our substations start a little bit smaller and kind of get added onto over the years. This one here was almost a full build out from day one.
When we do projects at ATC, land restoration really is important to us. To restore that land to at least a pre-existing condition, or maybe even a little bit better, which is what is going on here at the Mount Pleasant site. What local officials and other community partners are hoping to do is a greenway development. There may be things like bike trails, walking paths, focused on pollinator habitat. What is going to be nice when this project is done and the substation is in service, really there's a legacy that's going to go on at this site. It's going to be here for generations.
The Mount Pleasant substation is energized and we finished the project under budget and on time. This project was unique because we're serving over 200 megawatt load at the Foxconn site, and that's the biggest single customer load out of a substation that we serve across ATC's footprint. There's been a lot of great collaboration with Foxconn, We Energies, ATC, and all the other stakeholders in this project to make it all happen.